Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a fabulous recipe for you guys. We'll be making some curry oven baked ribs. Absolutely delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try this. So this was eaten with some coconut rice, some steamed vegetables, and some fresh tomatoes. So these are the list of the ingredients that we'll be using, and they will be in the description box. First, we are going to make our curry paste. So I have some curry, some masala, a little bit of jeera, and we are going to mix this with some water. While I'm doing this, I was preheating my pan with some spicy chili garlic oil, and we are going to pour that paste right in. We're going to fry this up, guys, for about 5 to 7 minutes. There I just added some grated garlic and ginger. Now you're going to add 1 cinnamon stick if you do have, and bay leaves, optional, but it gives a really good flavor. So after about 7 minutes, you're going to remove and set aside. So now we are going to season our ribs, okay? And there I'm adding some house green seasoning. That is optional. If you don't have that, just fine. There I am adding the rest of my spices. Not to worry, everything that I'm using will be in the description box. There I'm adding my curry paste. And then I'm going to mix everything well. Beautiful. Then I place this in my Pyrex dish. You can use any pan of your choice. All right, and we are going to cover this with a foil paper, bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 40 minutes. I did add some fresh onions because I love onions. You don't have to. And this is what it looks like. It was absolutely tender, juicy, and super delicious. Like, you guys must try this recipe. So now we are going to plate. That is my coconut rice. I'll leave the link for that in the description box. Absolutely amazing. So now I'm adding my ribs and my vegetables. Looks absolutely beautiful. Guys, this tastes, well, if you love curry, you're going to love this right here. All right, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. See y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.